Today, we're going to show you how to replace the solenoid coil on Elektrogas VMR fast open safety shutoff valves. This process is the same for the fast open portion of VMM double valves. This is very easy. You don't need to remove the valve from the gas train, and if you're using the DIN plug for power, you don't need to do any wiring. The only tool you're going to need is a screwdriver. Start by shutting off the gas flow upstream of the valve, then remove power to the valve by unscrewing the DIN plug. You do not need to take the screw all the way out, just loosen it enough to remove that DIN plug and set it aside. Next, we're going to unscrew the nut on the coil. You should be able to do this by hand. If it's a bit tight, you can usually loosen it by turning the whole coil. Now we can just lift the old coil off the valve body. Check the label of the new coil to make sure the voltage is correct. Each spare coil comes with check boxes on the label to indicate the model of the valve. Check off the box that matches your valve. The options are for fast or slow open, pipe size, maximum pressure rating, and if there is a proof of closure device. This information can be found on the label of the original coil. Proof of closure is not listed on the original coil label, but you will be able to see the black plastic proof of closure device on the bottom of the valve if it is present. The spare coils come with an extra DIN plug. Remove the DIN plug by loosening the screw, and you can keep this extra piece in your spare stock. Then we can just pop the new coil onto the valve body and replace the nut. We want this to be tight enough to not come off, but not overly tight that it cannot be removed by hand. Check that the original DIN plug is not damaged and that the gasket is still present. If there's damage to the DIN plug, replace it with the new piece from the new coil. If there is no damage to the existing DIN plug with wiring, simply screw it onto the new coil and you're good to go. To order spare parts for Elektrogas valves or for additional help with Elektrogas products, visit our website at combustion911.com, email us at support_ab@combustion911.com, or give us a call at 330-678-4328.